Hey guys, welcome back to Travel Fun, and today we are trying to make a pizza, kids only. Mom's gonna help us with putting these pizzas inside the oven. All right, let's do this. So, I'm gonna.
So what are you making, Gavin?
Making a pepperoni pizza. Got pepperoni, cheese, tomato sauce. Whereas Ethan's
gonna try doing Hawaiian pizza.
This one and this one. That's the cheese, that's the ham, and that's the pineapple, and that's the sauce.
Okay, so are you guys ready?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
1, 2, 3, and go.
All right, I'll show you how to do it. Okay. So you do this. You use the bottom of it.
Put a lot first.
Do this. Is
There
this
you
how you
go.
do it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know how to make a pizza.
You start doing it, Ethan?
Oh yeah. Like Gavin does.
Yes.
So you slap it on, and then
Go.
do that. Spread it around like that, okay? Keep on doing it until you covered your whole pizza.
There you go. If you guys are wondering why Ethan's hair is like that, he cut his own hair yesterday.
It's so funny.
So his hair looks funny and we have to bring him to the barber shop so they can fix it. Oh, Gavin, that's nice. Keep on doing it, Ethan.
It's actually kind of nice. Don't feel like ketchup.
Okay, so we're done with the sauce?
Yes, let's start with
Okay. Cheese, how about you, Ethan? Which one would you like to put first? The cheese or the toppings, like the ham?
Oh, shoot. I tried to go softly. Okay.
I want the pineapple.
Okay, put the pineapple, Ethan.
Oh, yeah, that's weird. This. So I'm gonna put it properly in my left hand. And dirty.
Can you help me?
You can do it, Ethan. Try to put your pineapples.
Everywhere.
Just put it everywhere on your pizza.
Like me. Look, I'm putting the cheese everywhere.
Oh, what?
What are you putting now? Cheese?
Cheese. I think I'm overdoing it with cheese here.
I think you have to put the pepperoni now. Gavin.
I will do this one too.
Yeah, put the ham, Ethan.
I'm gonna use the pepperoni to evenly spread my cheese out.
Cha-cha.
Yeah, keep on doing it, Ethan.
That's a lot of them.
Yeah.
Eat a lot of cheese. I'm a big cheese fan.
You having fun, Zach? You're watching them.
More sauce and more cheese. More. Yeah.
Sides
I
need
need
some
more pizza. Yeah.
Okay, put the ham now, Ethan. That's too much cheese.
That's too much cheese on one side.
Doink, doink, doink.
Okay, how about the pineapple and the...
Spread out, Mom.
Ethan, how about the pineapple and the ham? Please, more ham and
I think my
pineapple.
cheese is even now.
Get more ham and then sprinkle it.
It's
Yes. That's what I like.
I need some more cheese on this part.
Yeah.
There we go. And now I can start on some nice one. I'm not a big pepperoni fan.
Ta-da!
I'm a barbecue pizza fan. I'm gonna use up all my pepper.
Ethan, you have to scatter the ham. Scatter the ham.
That like this. Then look at my pizza. Do it like that. I'm gonna use all my pepperoni. If I overdo the tomato sauce, I think my pizza will be soggy.
I put all of them.
That's nice. How about the ham? How about the ham?
Ethan, just put all of the ham. Oh my gosh. She's just gonna dump it. All the flavor's gonna
Okay.
all of that good flavor from
Yeah, I'm finished.
Finish? You wanna... Okay. So Gavin is done. Now how about you, Ethan? It's all in the middle.
Do you want me to scatter it for you?
Yes. Can you help
Can
him,
you give me a
Gavin?
spoon?
I'm making pizza. I put a lot of them.
That's a lot of them. Okay.
As much as I
So we're now gonna put it in the oven. Okay? So we're going to bake it for 10 to 15 minutes. And I've preheated the oven to 170 degrees Celsius. Okay? So let's put it in. Okay, so here's our pizza. This is what?
the pepperoni pizza.
Pepperoni pizza. Pepperoni and cheese pizza. This is the Hawaiian pizza from Ethan. Pepperoni pizza from Gavin. So, we're gonna slice it up. Are we gonna slice it up now, Zaki? Okay. So, we're gonna use this pizza slicer.
Ooh, that's hard. Yikes, that's a hard pizza. Looks so good.
Then I'm gonna slice Ethan's pizza.
You're gonna cut my pineapple.
Nope.
Alright, so it's time to try the pizza. Go. So you get your pizza and try it.
I get the pineapple,
Woo, super cheesy.
Okay, you hold it, Ethan.
That's super cheesy.
You hold it, Gavin. Ready? You're both gonna try it at the same time, okay? 1, 2, 3. Eat it, Ethan.
There's something at me.
There's an ant. Come on, eat your pizza. How was it, Gav?
Spicy. The pepperoni is spicy.
The pepperoni is spicy. That's good. How about you, Ethan? Try your Hawaiian pizza. Which one is that? That's the cheese. Okay, try it now. 1.
Uh-oh, my pizza is broken.
Okay.
Open your mouth. Open your mouth.
Find it.
There we go.
There you go. How is it, Ethan? Good? How's your pizza, Gav? Really good?
Let's try swapping it. Let's see.
Okay, try swapping it. And try each other's pizza. So you wanna get a new slice, or you wanna try the slice that Gavin ate? You don't wanna try Gavin's pizza?
It's super yummy.
Oh, Gavin will try your pizza. try his pizza again. So which one is better? His pizza is better. Ethan, Gavin said your pizza is much better. Okay.
My pepperoni is spicy.
Okay. How about you, Zach? Are you hungry? Would you like to have some pizza? Yeah? So you guys say goodbye now.
Bye. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
So thank you guys. Bye.
Bye-bye. I like the ice cream truck one too.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
Bye.